To add and use accessibility shortcut for voice access feature in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap advanced setting. Tap accessibility button and then tap select action. Scroll down the screen and then select voice access. You can see that a pop-up menu appears to inform you about voice access and the permission needed by this feature. To continue, tap allow. By adding the accessibility shortcut for voice access, now you can easily enable or disable this feature by tapping accessibility button at the bottom right corner of the screen and then select voice access. When voice access is enabled, you can swipe down the top of the screen and then tap to start on the voice access notification to start using this feature and let your phone listen to you, so you can control your device hands-free by using provided voice command. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.